Hello and welcome to my channel. In the previous video, you have learned the annotation not blank, mean and valid. In this second video related to Hibernate Validator with Quarkus, you are going to use a service with the valid annotation, create and use the validation groups. Let's start and follow my steps. Create a new Java class. Annotate the class with application scope and add a simple method validate with a valid annotation. If the input movie is valid, the method return movie as output. Very simple. Then inject the movie service inside the movie resource. At the end, duplicate the method create movie with valid and rename it with service, where inside this method remove the annotation valid and use the valid method provided by movie service. If the input movie is valid, you add it inside the list. In case of failures, you can concatenate all the violation messages and send back to as output. Let's open Postman, sending the title and director. Sometimes you have the necessity to have different validation constraints for the same class when it passes to a different method. To address this, you can take advantage of validation groups provided by Hibernate Validator. Let's create a new Java interface called Validation Movie Groups. Then define the post and post with service groups, which are just Java interfaces. Then add the relevant constraints to movie, assign the right group to each constraint. Let's add them on the length of the movie title. Assign the group's post when the title is not lower than 10. Assign the group's post with service when the length is not lower than 20. Go inside the movie resource and inside the method create movie with valid, add the annotation convert groups provided by Hibernate Validator, specifying the post validation group. This means that the length of the movie title must be more than 10 characters to be valid. Then open the movie service and add the same annotation, but in this case you have to use the post with service violation groups. This means that the length of the movie title must be more than 20 characters to be valid. Let's open Postman and try it. First, the /valid resting point, sending a title with 7 characters, for example. At the end, the /service. Well done. The source code of this video you can find it inside my GitHub repository. Feel free to clone it. For watching this video, subscribe to my channel to be always updated about new videos that I will upload, and see you in the next one. Bye.